Grand Awakening, Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebook. Check out the music, the NFTs. I cannot wait to meet you. Your word of the day is listen to life. Are you paying attention to the world? Are you paying attention to the journey or the destination or the results that you want? When you get the grand results that you're looking for, there's always going to be a new adventure. You're never going to be happy. There's always something else to learn. So don't fall in love with the part and the destination or results. It's the journey. Look around. Life is bringing people to you that you need to speak to. Life is giving you vibrations and synchronicities, 111, 222, 333. That is the language of the universe, as we have English, Spanish, Korean, Portuguese. The universe, spirit, uses numbers. Have you been experiencing deja vu? I want you to ask spirit, when you do experience these things, what are you trying to teach me? What are you trying to tell me? That is listening to life. Place it together. Place the pieces together with the download, and they'll guide you to your next step. I'm attentive to the world that is around me, the signs, symbols that guide me to success, and I listen and discover the way to the eternal. Listen to the synchronicities and deja vus. The people that you meet is not in vain, it's for a reason. So love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.